Business is changing fast. Is your workplace keeping up? Rapid growth means suddenly teams are bigger, redistributed, assigned new roles, or assembled for short-term special projects. So when it comes to your space, what works today might not work tomorrow. That's why Turnstone created Bivi. Named after camping bivouacs that can be set up and taken down in minutes, Bivi can be moved, added, or changed faster than any other product on the market. Bivi's single-leg design and connecting trough lay the foundation for every setting, no matter how you arrange it. Its shared leg system makes it easy to add additional work surfaces without the hassle of redesign. With built-in power and a range of accessories and partner products to choose from, Turnstone helps you transform your office and tailor it to the specific type of work you need to get done. Bivi is available in 2 heights, seated and standing height. Desks raise and lower in minutes. Sturdy foot rails provide comfort while in high sit position, supporting a shift in weight for those standing or a place to rest the feet for those seated in a stool. Accessories like Bivi Canopy add personality and bring down ceiling heights. And tackable privacy screens give people a place for personal notes and photos. But what really makes a difference is Bivi's hardwired power capabilities. Plug-and-play options keep multiple devices powered up, and modesty panels hide cord clutter to keep your workplace tidy. The frame of Bivi is designed to hold power and data cables neatly tucked away in the lower section of the trough, and power outlets are located in the upper section and sides of the trough for easy access. Looking for a powered height-adjustable option? Steelcaseology fits seamlessly with Bivi, offering even more choice for those who want a push-button solution to height adjustability and well-being in the office. Bivi dual height configures to maximize collaboration, keeping teams close for impromptu meetings but providing work surfaces designed for solo time too. Lounge elements marry the Bivi trough like a spine, connecting one cohesive setting and incorporating relaxed seating options. Bivi monitor mounts offer tech support and can be configured in a number of ways to best equip your team for success. Bivi is intuitive and uncomplicated. Designed as a simple kit of parts, Bivi can be customized with a single handheld tool. No need for drills, manuals, or renovations. And no need to call your facilities manager. Small details like the Bivi planter can be used for greens or swapped out to stash notebooks, pencils, or other project elements. Small add-ons like hooks, bike hooks, and board racks make a statement, shape your culture, and amplify your brand. We know even the smallest details make a big difference, so we worked hard to make Bivi easy for you. Business is changing fast. Your team is agile, able to adapt, shift gears, and reconfigure in a flash. Shouldn't you expect the same from your office?